Well, well. Kimera Hashiv and Jewish Misha Joseph and Analaba. Today we're going to talk about Christmas cards, Karst Nolik. And we're talking about Christmas cards because maybe you want to write a little Gaelic greeting in your Christmas card, or maybe you want to make your own Christmas cards. Okay, so we're going to go through some of these phrases. Okay, they're all very easy to say and very easy to write in your cards as well. So, just before we do that, let me just say my usual little introduction in Gaelic, just to say it's very cold here. Hi, Furan and Alaba, Gleur, and Paslich. Christmas is coming, so you need to be having your Christmas card ready. So, Christmas card, karsts. Okay, karst nolik. And Merry Christmas, okay, you can see here is, I'll just move this down a little bit. Merry Christmas is nolik chriel. Chriel. It has a ch. Okay, so you can't just say chriel. Chriel. Nolik chriel. Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Again, I've written the pronunciation here for it to be easy for you. Nolik chriel. I'll just put the H in there so you don't forget about it. Nolik chriel. Agus bliana va ur. Now, you know this here is, of course, meaning good. With the H, it becomes va rather than ma. So matin va, good morning. Hamiguma, I'm doing well. So this just means well, happy, and ur means new. So nolichri, nolichriel, agus bliana va ur. Nolichriel, so just for the pronunciation there. There we are. And the last one I've written down here is simply Christmas blessings, if you prefer saying something like that. Bianachken, Bianachken. Now, it is a D, but when it's said, it sounds like a G. I don't know why, but it just does, okay? Bianachken na nolike. There is an E there at the end because it's a genitive, okay? Bianachken na nolike. Okay, you might hear nolike with a bit of a deeper O. Okay, so that's some things you can write in your Christmas cards. Oh, very nice, very nice. So, karst nolik, nolichriel, nolichriel agus bliana va ur. And the last one, bianachgen na nolike. And there we are. Some nice Christmas card greetings for your cards this year. So whatever you're doing, nolichriel. Martin Lechley and Drazda.